Kursbuch 2, Book 2. Lektion Nummer 5, lesson number 5. So in lesson number 5, we will learn about das ist. Das ist mean this is. In this lesson, you will learn usage of this is in German language. But before we go to our lesson, let's read these lines carefully. In German, this is can be translated to several phrases depending on the context. Here are a few options. Number 1, das ist, pronounced like das ist. This is the most common translation of this is in German. It is used to introduce or describe something. Like, for example, das ist mein Haus. This is my house. And number 2, dies ist, pronounced dies ist. This is a more formal way of saying this is in German language. It is often used in writing or formal situations. For example, dies ist mein erstes Auto. This is my first car, okay? Now, it is worth noting that German often uses diese, this, and jene, that, to clarify what is being referred to. But since these are your first lessons, you should now think about what is being taught to you here. So don't need to think about jene, diese, dieses, okay? Gradually you will understand everything. Just keep watch these videos. Gradually, step by step, you will learn everything in German, okay? So now let's learn the usage of this is in German. Now look at this picture. This lady says, das ist Paul. Das ist Paul. Das ist Lena. She says, das ist Lena. Okay, das ist Paul. This is Paul. Das ist Lena. This is Lena. Now again, the lady says, das ist Hans. Das ist Anna. The lady says, this is Hans and this is Anna. Das ist Hans. Das ist Anna. Okay, keep watching to this picture. Now, das ist ein Mann. This is a man. Das ist ein Mann. Das ist eine Frau. Das ist eine Frau. This is a woman. So look at this. We have used ein with man, but eine with Frau, or with woman. Okay. Why do we use ein with man and eine with woman in German language? We have lessons in book number 1, and in previous lessons you can check there, okay? Das ist ein Haus. Das ist ein Haus. This is a house. Das ist ein Bild. Bild, okay? Das ist ein Bild, a picture. Das ist eine Henne. Again, we have eine. Das ist eine Henne. Das ist eine Stecknadel. Stecknadel. Stecknadel means pen or pin. Das ist eine Stecknadel. So now, Übung exercise. Fill in the blanks in following pages or slides. So you have to write what comes, what words come here, okay? Eine Henne. So the first one I will do for you. Das ist eine Henne. And you should write here, okay, these two words in your notebook. So keep remember, you have to write every lesson separately in your notebook, okay? That will be helpful for you Now this one. This is a man. Now you should write in German, okay? So, she is Lena. You should write in German. He is, no, this is Lena. And this is Hans. You should write in German. This is a picture. You should write in German in your notebook. This is a house. You should write in German in your notebook. And now, vocabulary words, Vokabeln, write these words in your notebook. Look at this. Der Schreibtisch. Schreibtisch, desk. Der Bleistift, pencil. Das Ei, egg. So be careful. In German, there is one rule of writing every noun, like you can see here, every noun, you should write from the capital letters, okay? You can't write like in English that you start with the start word we use from the capital letter, and then we write everything with the small letters. But in German, the rule is little different. Every noun, wherever it comes in front of you in writing, you should write you should start from the capital letters. Like this Schreibtisch, we have start from the capital letter. Bleistift from the capital letter, and I also is the capital letter. So as it is the first word, so we have we have written this also in capital letter. So because it is the first word here, okay? Otherwise, you should write der with small letter, and Schreibtisch. So the Schreibtisch is a noun, so you should write from the capital letter. This is the rule in German writing. So das Ende, the end. Danke, thank you, and we will see in next lesson.